the feature rundown series with Team Just Call. This is Arushi, content strategist at Just Call, and in this episode, we'll be discussing about the auto dialer. Today, we have Prabhat, who is leading the auto dialer team in Just Call, and he'll be taking us breaking down the auto dialer feature for us. So, Prabhat, why don't you tell us what the auto dialer is all about?
So autodialer allows you to make calls from a list of numbers, right? So it is different from a regular dialer where you enter the numbers manually, but in the autodialer, you can simply upload a list and it will start dialing the numbers for you. So it helps in connecting calls with the agents, and agents can then spend time on calls only rather than wasting time on dialing the phone numbers.
Okay. What kind of teams can ideally benefit from using the auto dialer?
Yeah, so I would say mainly sales team because generally they those are the folks who has a large number of contact list in which they have to reach out to, and they also have a target to meet in a set time. So auto dialer are best fit for them.
Okay. So you just said that auto dialer is great for sales teams. How is it different from the other dialers? What sets it apart from conventional phones and other dialers?
So I would say auto dialer. The main difference from the regular dialer is that in auto dialer the dialer dials the number for you automatically, whereas in the conventional dialer you manually enter the number. So this saves a lot of time, right? The next is that during the call you can take notes and you can record all the necessary information during the call and later save it as well, right? The third would be the different dialing modes. So these dialing modes allows you to improve the efficiency when you have a large contact list to reach out to. These dialing modes can definitely help you in saving time there, right? And then third is voicemail detection, which is a very interesting and very useful feature. So a lot of times sales agents end up reaching a voicemail, or so in that case, since the dialer handle this from the backend, they don't have to waste time on those contacts.
That sounds interesting. Can you tell us how the auto dialer works?
Sure, definitely. So in Autodialer, you need to set up a campaign, a dialing campaign, and then you can start making calls. So it is as easy as it sounds, right? So in this, what you have to do is, first you need to create a campaign. There are three different type of dialing modes, as I talked in the last slide. And you can choose the dialing mode which is appropriate for you, right? So I'm going to choose the auto dialing first. I can either enter the numbers manually or I can also upload a CSV file. So I'm going to upload a CSV file. I'll just click over here and choose a file. So once the file is uploaded, it will allow you to map the columns in the CSV file with the contact fields you have in your AutoDial account. So I'll just call this as name and then this as phone number. Right. I can also have a default country code in case I do not have a country code with the numbers in my sheet. So now I just upload this. Once the list is uploaded, it will create the campaign for me, right? It takes around a couple of seconds to sync the contacts into the campaign from the file. And once that is done, so let me just refresh and find out. Yeah, so once that is done, you'll just have to click on the start button over here and it will start the campaign for you. So if you click on play from here, it will start dialing the numbers for you, right? After that, you can talk to the customer from here. And after the call ends, you can simply leave notes from here, right? And if I click on save, it will automatically dial the next number for me, right? So I'm just gonna end my campaign over here, right? So this is how easy to set up the campaign and to start making calls. And once you are done with the calls, you can view the analytics and all the reporting directly from your AutoDialer dashboard.
So Prabhat, besides automated dialing and voice detection that you talked about in the previous question, what other top features what other, resourceful features does the auto dialer offer?
Right. So apart from these features, there are other exciting features as well, like the local presence, right? So you can local presence is very important when you are reaching dialing to different states, and usually people tend to answer the calls which are coming from their local numbers. So local presence helps you in automatically selecting a local number according to the number the dialer is making call to, right?
Okay.
The other feature would be the time zone based calling, right? So in case if you're dialing to different time zones or different countries, you can use this feature and make sure that you are dialing, making the call at the appropriate time where, the probability of getting answered is high, right? Third is the voicemail detection, where the dialer automatically dials the answering machine. Oh, sorry, detects the answering machine on the other end and automatically drops the voicemail message as well. Right, so agent do not have to waste their time on this part, and they can save a lot of time using this feature. And the last one would be the call monitoring, right? So uh, you can track your agent activities live, and you can see like whether they are on call or they are on break. You can also track on which call they are on. You can also monitor the call. So all these features allows you to track your team members activity, or you can also use it for training purposes, etc.
Now that we're talking about the features, while the auto dialer in itself is very powerful, but agents need to typically go back and forth between the CRM and the dialer, which ends up hampering the process and takes up a lot of time for the agents. Does the auto dialer integrate with all the major CRMs? And if it does, what are the functionalities and features that it covers?
Sure. So the Autodialer CRM integrations allows you to create the campaigns directly from the CRM, right? So with different CRMs, we have these options to create a campaign directly from the CRM itself, rather than exporting the contacts and then importing back to the Autodialer. The other feature would be creating customized report in the CRM. So what we offer is that you can have customized report within your CRM based on the different calling activities you do in Autodialer, right? So you can have a certain distribution set up in the Autodialer, and you can then generate reporting for those different type of dispositions in your CRM itself. And then last would be to automatically save all the calls information within the CRM, right? So it automatically sends the call information back to the CRM. You can also update the contact info as well, and you can also receive the recording URL directly within your CRM as well, where you can play that recording and listen to the call recording as well.
So, Prabhat, from a larger perspective, besides these automations, can you tell us how the auto dialer, automates the sales processes for agents?
Sure. So what happens is for the sales teams, they can set up automations like automatically creating a campaign and automatically adding context to it. So they can have this process set up using our developer APIs. So this way, they don't have to worry about creating campaigns every day. They'll just log in into the Autodialer account and start making calls. The other automation would be the the voicemail detection part, right? So if they have their answering machine detection on, they can choose to auto drop voicemails in those cases, and this also saves a lot of time when you have a lot of contacts, getting to the voicemails. Um, the autodialer also helps in filtering out the unanswered calls. So it, one of its mode allows you to only connect to those calls which are answered by humans. So, in that case, if you have a large list of contacts, uh, I'm sorry, large contact list, then, you can make use of this feature and save time in connecting with the contacts which answers the calls. Then we have this option to, log calls into the CRM, right? So with this automation, they have this whole process set up. they just need to worry about dialing the campaigns, and all of the information will automatically be there in the CRM. And for the next day, they'll have their campaigns ready automatically as well.
Okay, so the auto dialer essentially simplifies workflows for sales agents, from what I understand. But ideally, how much training would a new user need in order to start using auto dialer?
Right. So if you have that automation in place, then I'm sure that you don't have to worry about training at all, because agents just need to log in and then start the campaign, and then the calling will start. Right. But with the simplistic UI, it is very easy to set up a campaign as well. So as I showed during the demo part, uh, it is just a few step process which allows you to create a campaign and then run it. So, the agents do not need much time. So I would say like around, 2 to 3 hours of time is, enough for an agent to get used to the auto dialer and start making calls.
Okay, that's great. What about performance monitoring? Is there a way in which managers can keep an eye on their agents?
So yes, there are different types of reports that you can, track and see in the auto dialer account. One is the live dashboard. It tells you the live calling activity which is going on at that very moment. You can track which agent is on a call, which agent is on a break, which agent is online or offline. You can also track, you can also monitor the calls the agent is on currently. You can also listen to those calls or whisper to the agent in case if you want to, send a message to the agent while he's on a call. And you can also track like which campaign the agent is running. So this is a live dashboard which tells you the current activity. The next is the journal dashboard, which tells you the all over activity for each day. You can track how many calls are getting out each day, and what is the success index, which tells you the which is based on the rating given by the agent after the call. You can also track like how many campaigns were created or how many contacts were added. And then the agent analytics, which tells you like how many hours the agent was on call and what was the average call duration, right? So these kind of reporting helps you in tracking the agent activity and as well as the success of your calls.
Okay. So Prabhat, now that we've talked about most of the features and functionalities of the auto dialer, can you tell us why businesses should opt for the auto dialer? Like if you could quickly sum up the benefits of the auto dialer for us.
Sure. One is the ability to track all the information, right? So while you're on the call, you can leave notes. You can have all the information at one place and update those information as well. Second is the removes the time taken for manually entering the phone number, right? So this helps in saving a lot of time. And with the automatic call logging into the CRM and automatic voicemail drop features, it allows you to save a lot of time, because in that case you don't have to worry about spending time on doing those activities. The auto dialer automatically does that for you. The third benefit is the ability to track live calls, which is very helpful for teams, and especially remote teams. They can totally get a benefit of it. They can monitor the calls from anywhere. They can help their agents while the is on a call. Uh, and then third is the the human error that occurs when you are using a manual dialer, right? So sometimes you mistakenly type a different number and you end up calling to a different person altogether. So these kind of error also gets eliminated, because now you have this whole automation setup which is automatically creating a campaigns for you, and the dialer which is automatically making calls for you. You will get saved from these kind of errors. Right? So with this, all of these benefits, it is totally beneficial for businesses to use the auto dialer to reach out to a large audience.
Lastly, can you tell us how the auto dialer fits in the work from home scenario? How are remote sales teams using the auto dialer?
Yeah, sure. So it is very beneficial for remote teams, in sense that one can set up the auto dialer account from anywhere. They just need to add their team members, and their team members can also log in from anywhere, right? And then, while the agents are on call, the live monitoring system, helps the teams to monitor the calls. So they don't have to be on the, same room or anything like that. The teams can collaborate using the auto dialer from different locations. And uh, so basically a lot of time, a lot of teams are also using the auto dialer because of this reason, because it is easy to set up and it is very beneficial for the remote teams.
That's interesting. I'd like to wrap up with a very interesting insight about the auto dialer. So agents can actually increase their total calls per day by more than 2 times with just call auto dialer, and it has become only possible because of all the manual dialing and manual work that the auto dialer takes over from the agents, and so that the agents can make more calls per day. Thanks, Prabha, for enlightening us about the auto dialer. It was superb having this conversation with you. And as for our viewers, if you want to know more about the Just Call auto dialer, you can head on over to the link in the description. That's all for today's episode. Thank you.